Hello everyone, today we're back with another video, and today we're going to be checking out this 500 watt power supply. As you can tell, it's very cheap. Yep, very cheap. It's a very cheap one. It's a 500 watt power supply, Raptor Power from Apivia. I think I said that right. It has some little connectors here, buttons. At first glance, this thing is pretty dumb. And you're right, it is. It has some pretty good connectors, but the only power connector here for the motherboard is a 4-pin. There's no other power connectors like that, except for the motherboard connection. This is the only CPU connector. Unless you get these two and put them together and make an 8-pin. But still, you have to buy connectors, and this thing does not come with connectors with that. So, of course, we're going to be testing this thing. And this thing has been tested before on heavy machines, but it's kind of impossible to actually... Well, not impossible, but you have to buy connectors to actually get the full potential of it. Because, you know. But I'm pretty sure this thing is not real. But, I mean, if you have a Apivia brand and you like it, then that's cool for you. I mean, I used it for a little bit. This power supply, the same exact one, and it worked fine. I used it on a GTX 1050 Ti, which barely takes any voltage, so, yeah. But let's put it into a system, and let's see what happens. Okay, guys, I'm back. So we have the power supply hooked up, which was literally click and done, like one click. This is a very, this does not take up that much voltage, this system doesn't. But, I just want to see if it even does anything. Now, I've said I used it before, so this is not really a surprise to me. Sorry for spoiling it kind of in the beginning, but this thing's gonna work. It shouldn't, because it's like, for one thing, it's like super light, which seems very cheap, and I doubt it's 500, but let's just see if it even boots. And let's just... Never mind, I was done. Just turned off for a minute there. The computer is turned off. I'm gonna get a full picture here. It's not turning on. Now we're turned on. That's weird. Okay, this thing was working. This is really weird. I did a video before this about a laptop, and I had to delete it because it just was dumb. It just got nowhere, but mostly because I got stopped in building it, and it was like, not building it, but trying to fix it, and all my hardware is messing up. What I'm trying to say. Let's see what happens if I hold it. This better not shock me. So something's wrong with the button back. Button just decides to not be on all of a sudden. So as you can tell, well, I was about to say it was working, but nope, it's not. It's working now. If we're gonna get a big loud pop, might as well do it. Okay, well, it's working pretty great. I mean, I don't expect you to trust this in any big system that you're building, so if you're building like a really cheap one that's not going to be using any high, well, there it goes again. This is again, okay. Look at that, it actually did a beep. Well, I'm not putting a hard drive in this thing because I'm not going to ruin it. I'm not going to let this thing wipe all my data. That made no sense. Well, it could if it keeps turning on and off in the middle of doing something. Like, I can imagine you're gaming and all of a sudden this thing just decides to just kill out, like, dead. This is what it's going to do. It's going to die on you. So, we do have another video coming up sometime soon. We're going to be showing you somebody built a computer, and we're going to be showing it and showing you what's all in it. And it's mine, actually, so I'm getting it for free. So, it just needs some cleaning and stuff, and good to see you. But see you guys in the next one, I guess.